But I have now made about $6,000 making beanies with my knitting machine. Hey friends, so now it is day 3 of me working on my 200 beanie order. So 2 orders for 100 beanies each, so I have to knock out 200 beanies hopefully in the next week, maybe 2 weeks. So I'm waiting on my second shipment of yarn. I have gotten 20 of the green beanies done so far, so I'm gonna work on those and I will check in with you guys here in a little bit. I do just wanna say thanks for joining along with me on this journey. So I'm so grateful and very, very happy. So I'm gonna get to it and I will be back. All right, just a quick check-in. It is 1:07 in the afternoon. I took a quick break to go meet my friend for lunch, but I have gotten 5 more green beanies done, which means I have done a total of 25 green. Now it's time to switch on to the next color for this order. I think we're gonna move on and do purple next. We also have black and red for this order, and then the yarn for my other order showed up today. The colors in that are blush pink, teal, I did maroon, gray, and black. So I'm doing 20 of each of those colors and then 25 of each of these. So I'm going to actually leave to go get my daughter and then I will come back and start working on the purple ones. I'm hoping to get all 25 of those done, and then we're gonna stay up super late tonight and try to get another 25 done. So I'm trying to do 50 in total today. We'll see if that happens or not. Fingers crossed. Here I go. It is 1:57, and I'm going to start on the purple beanies now. I have 2 balls here and then the rest in here. So I'm gonna get crack-a-lackin'. All right, I didn't get to finish filming yesterday. Today is now Thursday, but yesterday on Wednesday is when I had filmed the last clip and I was working on the purple beanies. Now, yesterday in total, I got 34 beanies done, which is so awesome, 34. I was trying to get 50 though, so I was a little bit less than I wanted. Sorry, I have a hot mess going on back here and my cat is over here, but these are all the beanies that I got done yesterday, so I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly. So I finished the last 5 of the, because I have to do 25 of each color. Let's see here. The first large day, let's see, I think that was Monday, I did 20 beanies in total. Tuesday, I did not do anything. Wednesday was yesterday, so yeah, I did 35. And then today I'm just gonna make a few, but I did 5 green. And then I have all my purple, so here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh, that one fell on the floor. 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25 purple. So I got all of the purple done. And I tried to stay up later. I was gonna try to get 50 done, but it just was not happening. So then I ended up making 4 of the red beanies. So in total, whoops, I just hit the camera. In total, this is how many beanies I knocked out on Wednesday. So I did a total of 34, which, I mean, was not my goal, but I still think is really awesome. I got a ton done. And then today, Thursday, I haven't got to work on any. I'm going to sit down and only work on beanies for 1 hour tonight. I still have to do, you know, my own dishes and kind of clean up, but I did have to go clean a house for 5 hours today with my friend. So it was a really, really busy day. Last night was a very busy night and I am just exhausted, but I'm more than halfway done with my order now. I have 54 done. I need to get 100 done for this order. So I need to finish with the red yarn and then the black yarn, which I have in the living room. So yeah, I have 21 red and then 25 black to do. The tags should be here soon. One thing I do still have to do on all of them is sew in these ends, but I figured that I'm just gonna do that when I am putting on the tags because it's pretty easy. Pretty short video, not super long. I didn't get a lot filmed in between because I was just trying to focus and get them worked on. So yeah, again, this is pretty much what I did all day yesterday. I was here, I was working, I just wasn't filming as much as I wanted to. But anyways guys, I hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for kind of following along with me during this journey of making 200 beanies. I'm trying to get them done in 2 weeks, so basically 100 beanies a week, and we'll see. I started on Monday. I think that was the 4th, November 4th, I think is what Monday was. So that's when I started this, and I have 56. I don't know, no, 51, 54 done. That's what it is, 54. That's how many I have done. Anyways, I'm delusional, I'm delirious, I'm super tired, so I'm going to get back to working on beanies. I will be back with another video for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And thanks for joining me here on my yarn corner here on YouTube with Dream9 Designs channel, whatever. Bye friends.